Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. Tonight we're in Guatemala. On tonight's menu, Pepián de Pollo. The morning mise en place. The chili powders and cinnamon. The chili powders and the cinnamon being dry roasted. The water's boiling for the chicken. And the chicken's going to simmer for about 30 minutes. Here's the chili powders and cinnamon after roasting. Dry roasting the bread. Getting the pumpkin seeds and the sesame seeds ready to go in the hot box. Here they are in the hot box. Getting the veggies ready to go in the hot box. And here they are in the hot box. Here's the seeds coming out of the hot box. The veggies are ready to be cooked later on. Here's the roasted seeds. Here's the cooked chicken. Here's the wonderful broth from cooking the chicken. Here's the roasted vegetables. Getting ready to grind the seeds and the chili and cinnamon. And here's the ground mixture. And here's everything ready to go into the food processor. First layer is the veggies. And they get blended just one time. Then I add the cilantro and the annatto after being processed. And then I add the bread and some broth. And it's been processed into a smooth consistency. Here's the cut up chicken. Here's the evening mise en place in order of appearance. Potatoes going to be cooked. The beans getting ready to be cooked. Here's the sauce in the brazier warming up. Then I add the chicken and fold it in. Then I add the cooked veggies. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Have fun cooking.